Hey guys, it's Josh here, a Unity game developer at Per Lemon Games. If you're interested in making games with us, you can just go into the site perlemongames.com. In here, you can see the details or information about us. Or if you want to try our games, you just click this button right here. So in here you can find a bunch of games that are created by our own game developers. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to continue your music between scenes. So here in my first scene, this is my level selector. For example, I'm going to put some background music. First, we need to create an empty game object. I'm just gonna name this into BGM and then add in a audio source. And here is my music just to show you. Okay, now let's drag this music file into our audio clip and then create a script. I created mine. I called it BGM and then open it. Now in here, we can remove this update and start. We won't need this. And then let's cache in the audio source. Then name the variable. Just gonna name this into audio source again. And we create our awake method. Here in our awake, we type in don't destroy on load parenthesis transform dot game object, then semicolon, and then our variable is underscore audio source, and then get component. Type in the brackets inside, type in the audio source, then parenthesis semicolon. Now next is we create our method. So public void play music. Then the brackets if audio source dot is playing, return, and then audio source dot play. Right. Okay, I think this is done. Let's save this one. Forgot the semicolons. Save this one and go back to Unity. Okay, in here we need to attach our script. And then next step is we go into the scene that we need to continue our music. So for me, it's this scene. Just click save. Okay, in here, we need to create another script. So let's create another one. C# script. I'm just gonna name this to music continue. Then attached it into a game object. Also forgot to mention the game object should also have a audio source and then attach the script. Okay, now let's open this script. In here, we can just type in the code in our start method. So from here, we need to call that game object from the previous scene. So type in game object dot find. Oh, I forgot to do something first in the first scene. So Let's go back. My apologies. Okay, now from here, in our BGM game object, we need to create a tag. I created mine. It's called music, but to show you on how to create a tag, just click this button and then plus and then name it into music. Then go back, then set the tag into music. Okay, let's continue again. So let's go back into our music continue script. From here, we need to call that game object. So game object dot find game object with tag, and then the parenthesis quotation marks, the name of the tag, which is music, then dot get component, the name of the game object, it's BGM, then parenthesis dot the method, which is play music. Okay, I think this is done. So let's check if it's working. Let's go back into our first scene. Okay, this is my first scene. So once I hit play, the music should also play. And then even after switching scenes, the music should still continue. Okay, let's check. Okay, it worked. So that's how you continue your music between scenes in Unity. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching.